Dougiamas, Chairman of the MoodleMoot Philippines 2021 and President and CEO of Nephila Web Technology Incorporated, a Moodle partner. MoodleMoot is a conference regarding the most widely used open-source learning management system in the world called Moodle. On April 26 to 30, 2021, the first ever MoodleMoot Philippines Online will happen. So, if you are an educator, a school administrator, IT or HR manager, content developer, or an e-learning enthusiast, we invite you to join and collaborate in this momentous event. MoodleMoot Philippines 2021 theme, Let's We with Learners Who Thrive with Moodle, will bring together all the Moodlers and those who are new to Moodle in the Philippines and abroad to share, learn, collaborate, develop, exchange ideas and researches, and thrive together, especially during this time of the pandemic. And for the third time in the MoodleMoot Philippines history, the Moodle founder himself, Dr. Martin Dougiamas, will deliver his live keynote speech to the Filipino Moodle community, together with the Moodle experts from the Philippines and abroad. We have prepared exciting topics and surprises. Come and join us and meet our event sponsors and the participants of the Moot PH 21. Visit our website and register at https://moodph21.nephilaweb.com.ph. Please also like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you all and thank you.